In this video, I'm going to show you how to render in Planner 5D. First of all, open your Planner 5D project that you want to render. Once you are inside the project, the first step is to position your view exactly the way you want your final image to look. You can zoom in or out and adjust your camera angle to frame the perfect shot. If you want more precise movement, you can use the WASD keys on your keyboard to move forward, backward, and sideways until you get the exact perspective you need. Once your view is set, move your cursor to the camera icon at the top of the screen and select the Realistic Render option. This will open the rendering settings where you can start customizing your output. First, choose the aspect ratio of your image depending on how you plan to use it, whether it's for a thumbnail, social media post, or any other purpose. On the right side, you can also adjust the elevation to slightly raise or lower the camera angle for a better composition. Next, go to the resolution settings and choose the quality of your render. You will see options like Draft, HD, Full HD, Quad HD, and 4K. Keep in mind that higher resolutions will produce better quality images, but will also take more time to render. After that, you can open the filters and lighting settings to fine-tune the appearance of your scene. Here you can adjust brightness and even control whether the scene appears as day or night by toggling sunlight. You can also change the sun position and latitude to achieve the desired shadows and overall mood. After setting everything according to your preference, click on the Render option at the top right corner and then select Start Render. Once the rendering process begins, you can open the gallery from the top right side of the screen to monitor the progress. When the rendering is finished, open the gallery to view your final image. You can click on the rendered image to preview it in full size. If you want to save it, click on the three dots next to the image and select Download. The rendered image will then be saved to your device, ready to use wherever you need it. And this is how you can render in Planner 5D.